Nice house.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's big.
Big. Yeah.
Oh man, it's huge.
I just closed the water. Do you want to turn it on?
I don't need it.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't need it.
Okay.
Yeah, the water is separate from this.
Okay.
I'll just. Is it empty? Oh no, it's full. Okay. Okay. So. Yeah, I'll be right back.
Okay.
So I'm doing a service call. This is a 2014 Rheem Water Heater. The pilot light came up, but we get no LED on the valve, and then it will not stay on. So that's either the valve or the thermal pile. And since I've been doing so many service calls on these lately, I'm gonna go ahead and guess it's the thermal pile and not the valve. But that's just a guess. Let's see. Give you guys a little better view. So, pilot light is on. It's pretty low. We got two. Well, it's cruising. So lately with these, what I've been seeing is that everything checks out, right? You got the voltage, comes back, the valve looks good. Let's try my device on the valve. And then all of a sudden it's something in the wiring. Right? Something in the wiring. But it might be the motherboard. So I'm just measuring the voltage.
Oh, okay.
To try and figure out if it's here, you know, the problem is here inside the valve, or if the problem is
inside.
Yeah, so divide and conquer, right?
Okay.
So it looks pretty healthy. So that's a good sign. And I got a device that like cheats, you know, and should bring the motherboard up, but it's not coming up. So I'll probably change this.
Okay.
And then try it again, see if it works. If it works, then we'll call it good. If it doesn't, then I gotta chase it down and figure it out. But I got parts. I got all kinds of parts, so I'm gonna get it today.
Okay.
It's just figuring out what it is.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you. Okay, so we got. That looks pretty healthy. So final thermopile voltage is 700. We'll say it's 700. That's pretty good for a 2014. And the motherboard did not come up when I put the box on it. So what I'm going to do is try changing the motherboard and see if that works. And see if it's the valve motherboard or if it's the thermopile. Could be all three, could be none of them. Let's see what we can see here. Okay.
Work?
It'll work. So I think you had this was your old one.
Oh, okay, okay.
This was your old one, so I put a different one on.
Uh-huh.
And it came up. The light's blinking.
Okay.
And so I turned it on. But we'll let it run for a little while.
Okay.
But this is the one that... So the screw was missing.
Uh-huh.
So somebody had been into it. But
Okay.
sometimes they go bad, you know. Sometimes the motherboards, they go bad.
Yeah.
Sometimes the valve, this is the valve. Sometimes the valve goes bad. Sometimes they both go bad. Sometimes, you know, neither one.
Okay.
So I tested it. It didn't come up. But it looks like that's what it was.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
you know, sometimes you find it real fast and fix it, and sometimes you're gonna take a long time. So changed the cover for the motherboard, and came up. Status light came up, so we turned the water heater on, and it's running. Sorry, I'm talking to the camera. Yeah, thanks. So yeah. Yeah, it's good. I don't know if you want to look.
No, that's
Oh, okay.
okay.
You can look inside. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
but if it goes bad, it'll flash.
Uh-huh.
You know, it'll flash faster.
Okay.
But I think this was just faulty, for whatever reason. Maybe a short.
Yeah.
Who knows? You know, who knows?
Okay. No problem.
All right. Thank you. Okay.
Okay. And,
Perfect. When you call me, if anything else happens, you call me. I'll come back.
okay.
If I need to come back, you know, if it's in a reasonable amount of time, let me get you change.
Yeah, that's fine.
You sure? Okay.
Thank you.
And then I'll fix it, so you don't gotta worry. So, you know, if it, like, let's say it goes out tonight or tomorrow, you're like, oh, it's broken still.
Okay.
You call me, I'll come back. I don't charge
Okay.
you.
All right.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, you want to turn the water back on.
Yeah.
Perfect. Did you just get it? It's new. You bought it?
Yeah, on the Home Depot.
Oh, okay.
Maybe 1 year.
Well, it's a 2014,
Yeah.
so it's like 6-7 years old. It's an older one.
Yeah, but I got on the store. I mean on the storage.
Oh.
I used it 1 year only.
Oh, and then you stored it.
Uh-huh.
And oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, I got you. Well, that's good.
But the problem is I move it and I store it because the problem is that don't turn it on.
Oh, well, that was your that was your issue. Oh, okay. Well, now it works.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So
Thank
what's
you.
up? This one leaks. This one's leaking.
Yeah.
And so you switched it, and then you're like, you need a water heater, or you need it fixed. Okay, I got you. I'm all caught up now.
Okay.
All right, sir. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
All
meet
right.
you. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you. You have a good day.